over there?
Sits there, and then...
It's out. The bike pretty much landed on her.
You said there was a man and a woman on the motorcycle?
A young lady and a young man.
Yeah. Do you believe the young man was riding and
yes.
the passenger?
Yes.
Yeah, he was riding.
She flew over him.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
They both flew like the same amount of distance from the middle of the street all the way over here to the median. I ran up to the man and asked him, if they were both all right. And there was already a couple people already attending them, let them know, see if they were actually conscious and actually still coherent and everything like that. And that's why at the time when I asked him and everything like that, he didn't really give me much of a response. I think it's because
he was going
the shock,
in and out, probably going in and out of consciousness.
Yeah, the man had a gash from going down from his knee, at least about to right here. And it was a big gash. It was open and everything like that. The pants were torn and everything. And he wasn't really moving as much. I think maybe because the neck was quite injured or everything like that. From what the woman that was riding with him, the other person on the bike, she was actually not moving at all. And maybe she probably received more injuries than he did because she flew the farthest with him.
So the guy was conscious?
They were both conscious at the time, but there was hardly any motion going on or any type of response.